I'll show you how you can fix the Wi-Fi connected, but there's no internet access. Now, usually when this happens is that it's something on your ISPN, so it's your internet provider's fault. Now, if you want to go more in details, you can go to something called Down Detector. Now, on Down Detector, you can check here if your ISP or any other website is currently down, right? So I'm gonna go here, and for example, TikTok, Pay, AT&T, all of these, and you just have to pick any one of your provider and see if it's down. So for example, if you have Xfinity internet, you can see right now there's no current problem at Xfinity. So if there's no current problem at Xfinity, it could be a couple of things. It could be your own personal computer or it could be your internet modem, right? Now, if it's your internet modem, you'll have to through with that on the ISP, but if it's on computer, I'm going to show you a couple of ways you can help fix this. First off, you want to press on this button, Windows X. Now, once you press on Windows X, you want to go ahead and go to Device Manager here. Now, on Device Manager here, you want to go ahead and go to your internet adapter here, right? So find your internet adapter right here. So it'll be this one, network adapter. Now on your network adapter here, you want to go ahead and pick on your network adapter. So it'll be this one. You just want to go ahead and right click and then you want to tap on update driver and then tap on search automatically for drivers. Right now, I already have the best driver installed, so I have no need for this, but for you, you might be outdated on your driver. Now, after that's done, you can try going to here on the search bar and then you want to search up troubleshoot. Now on here, just tap on troubleshoot settings. After that, you want to go ahead and go to other troubleshooters here. And then you want to find network and internet and you want to tap on run. Now, once you tap on run here, just want to wait for this to finish. But right now I'm connected, so there's no problem. So, but if your internet doesn't find any problem, so it'll be okay. But if your internet do have problems, then it'll show right here.